Hey, babe, what are we making today?
Vegetarian chicken wings.
Vegetarian coated, healthy chicken wings. Because chicken is not vegetarian, but what we're making is basically a vegetable puree type of sauce for our actual chicken. We have done this with chicken wings, like the little drummies and actual little chicken wings. Really amazing. Today we're gonna do some chicken, like whatever you call these, like the legs, drummies, chicken drummies, and then we're gonna do some chicken breasts too. We'll pull the chicken like skin off of the drummies because a lot of the fat is in the skin, so we'll just pull that off of the drummies. But first off, we're gonna take red onion, bell peppers, carrots, and we're gonna take all of those and saute them in a pan with a little bit of like cooking oil spray, okay? And we'll show you that in a second. Okay, so here's the vegetables cooked down a little bit more. Basically, you do that just to bring out some of the natural sweetness within the vegetables and the sugars. But we're still cooking it a little bit longer. We're just kind of doing like medium heat here. We have it in a cast iron pan, whatever works for you. Once they kind of get cooked down a little bit and you see some like moistures out and some browning, we'll add like 3 cloves of garlic. This is like 4 cloves, I think. We like garlic. And if you're already married, you can do like more cloves. That's what I found. So, and then stewed tomato is like our favorite, but you can use any type of canned tomato. You're gonna add that in as well. Let's do the like whole can. You get like a close-up on these. See, these stewed tomatoes are like really good. Oh yeah. Alright. Back up. And then we're gonna pour some moisture, some chicken broth, just like that. And then we're gonna go lemon, squeeze it in, and I should probably grab the seeds out, but I don't usually. So yeah, lemon in, and then I like to actually just put the lemon in there a little bit too, because it's gonna like cook down and render out a little bit. And then we'll go in with some Worcestershire sauce, some pepper, some smoked paprika, and again, this is like our sauce basically for the chicken. And then some oregano, and a little bit of soy sauce. That's going to be like our salt component. Just like that. And then a little bit of Dijon mustard. Right? A little bit of Dijon. Babe. So Dijon, and then a little bit of this like red, it's garlic chili sauce. You could also use a sriracha, or if you don't like spice, obviously don't use any. This stuff's pretty spicy, so we're only using like a tiny bit, but mostly adds like good flavor. So that is it. We're gonna let that cook down for a little bit longer. We want everything to be nice and soft and cooked down. And then we're gonna add it into this blender and blend it up. We'll show you once we get to that step. Probably cook this down for about 5 minutes. Three, 2, 1, go. Alright, so next step, chicken. I removed the skin on these bad boys and then like made the breast into cubes, or strips, right? Strips. Then we're gonna take our blended up sauce. It's kind of what it looks like. Looks like pizza sauce, so spaghetti sauce. Right? And then we're gonna pour that over the chicken. You can use like a lot of this stuff too. It'll kind of dry up in the oven. I don't know if I'm gonna use quite all of it, but it looks hot. I got a spatula here.
Yeah, I like to save a little bit for you. I just want to add it at the very end.
Yeah.
The sauce
So we'll
flavor.
save a little bit of sauce. There we go. And then just keep the, keep that sauce away from like the raw chicken because you don't want to have raw chicken plus cooked chicken together. Or that, like raw chicken and raw sauce that you're gonna eat that you're not cooking. So looks kind of like that. We're gonna lay those bad boys out on a sheet pan. Bake them at 425 for about 40 minutes. Obviously you want to check your chicken and make sure it's done. We'll do that and then get it going again. I think I'm gonna put the these things, the drumsticks, or what do you call them, in first. All done. So got the chicken here. We baked it at 425 for 40 minutes, and it was about done. You want to cook your chicken, any chicken, to about 165. Usually I go to like 170 just to be safe. We made up some potatoes, cut up wedges, and then you just go ahead and put them on broil for like 2 minutes in the end and just kind of crisp up the top of the sauce. And this is actually a really good way if you have younger kids to sneak vegetables into their diet, because you got like all kinds of different vegetables, color, and it tastes really, really good, and it doesn't look like there's vegetables in there on top of it. So a little trick and tip there, but yeah, give it a try and let us know what you think. Stay tuned for more.